Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall Java from Windows. So you can use the standard settings menu or the classic control panel. Uh, and yeah, if you are more advanced, if you are a developer, you should also remove associated environment variables. But we will focus today on most recommended uninstall guide. So the first thing, the first method we can do is open up our settings. So press the Windows key and then find settings, type in the search bar settings, like so. Now right here, we will go here to the left menu and select an apps, like so. Now we need to find installed apps, so click on the first one right up here. And what we can do now is just type in Java. Uh, you can find here if you have something from the Java. So as you can see, I don't have it, but if you have it, I will show you now just on other program, but it works the same with the Java. So let's go and do that one. When you have it, just select right here. You will see three dots and then uninstall it. And this way you will uninstall the program of Java. Then we have what we have uh, control panel. So right here into the Windows search bar, type in control panel. It will open up this kind of window right here. Now to uninstall the program, you need to find here first the programs icon, so programs and features, this one right here. And now you need to find again Java right over here. When you find it, just select it. So let's go and do that. So as I can mention before, I don't have it, so I will choose that one. When you select the Java, just here click at the top, you will see uninstall and click on that. Yes, we are. And then the window installer will start preparing to remove the Java. And this is how you can uninstall Java in Windows. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.